Hey everybody, it's Neon. Check out what I have here. I have a nice little necklace. Look at that. That's heavy, man. That's a piece of work. Okay, and let's see what it looks like here. So this is it here. It's nice. It's got the shiny black, and then it's got another little gold plus on there up there. And you can open it up with the little clasp here. It looks like a nice, decent clasp. I don't know if you can see it too well, but it's one of those ones where you kind of grab it like that. But it looks big enough that it would probably fit over, no, it wouldn't fit over my head. If it's a small person, it would fit over their head. But look at that, nice looking necklace here. Let me open it up. So it'll just go like that. It hangs down straight. So if you wanted a nice looking necklace, this is the one here. Look at that, it looks really good. Comes in a really nice little box too, so if you wanted to get it for a gift for somebody, it's gonna look beautiful. So totally cool, thumbs up.